Hartman adventures. I'm so late this morning, man. Hella late. Just a catch probably the last I current up. That's what I walk up to the corner. See if I can catch the last part of the current. Hopefully I can find something in it, but yeah, current is supposed to probably I gotta stop soon, so see if I can hustle my way around there. My alarm went off early this morning. Woke up, turned it off, went back to sleep. Yeah. Starting out with the pilchard. That's the Yazori inshore twitch, but pilchard color. Miss all of the very early hours of the morning. And those are the hours that I usually prefer. See if anything is up against a stone or up along the line. Whoa, look at bait. Jeez. Look at this, guys, look at this. They're hanging out underneath the ledge. Look at that, look at that. So much of them, and they are huge. I wish I had my sabiki or my net. I would catch a couple of them and go fry them up. These ones are big, man. They're just hanging out right along the edge of the rock. I don't know if you guys can see them when the wave break, but they're just hanging out right here, right along the foot of the rock. Lots of them. Haven't seen sprat this big in a long time. Water is clean today, but not crystal clean. It's slightly hazy but clean enough. Haven't seen any divers as yet since I've been here, but sometimes they might still be out there and you just don't see them as yet. Alright, fish on, guys. Feel very small, but just dropped him. Small jack. Come here. This feels like a nice jack. Come here, man. Small jack. Alright, relax. There he is, guys. A small jack. But he's big enough, can keep, can eat for dinner or something. So yeah, I'll keep this one. Let me see if I can show you guys him another time. There he is, nice bar jack. It's a nice, it's on the smaller side, but it's still big enough can keep. Normally when I catch them smaller than that, put them back. And I put back these sizes as well, but not going to put back this one today. Right, I have that one carded, so gonna try see if I can find another one or a few more. Might be able to find some bigger ones in here, like how you see the sprat them the boat. Might be able to find some bigger ones, but let's see if we're going to do that. Alright, this is the last cast before I change the lure. See if I can put on a slightly heavier lure and get a bit further out. Alright, I have on the 14-gram lure, jiggling lure from Easy Fishing. Yeah, let's see if we're going to find anything using this one. This one can cast a good distance, so let's see if we can find something. Alright, not bad. Good cast. This lure, you can jig this lure if you want to. It's heavy enough where you can jig it, and you can also fish it as a regular lure. Just straight retrieve it by picking up some grass. You can also straight retrieve it or twitch it if you want to. Very versatile lure, easy to use. Matches the profile of a lot of bait. Few heavy waves passed a while ago. Stir up the water a lot. Water is a lot more cloudy now than it was before. Yeah, those waves stir up the water a lot, man, cause you can see the seaweed start, or not weed, not the seaweed, the green moss. A lot of them get washed off by rocks them a while ago, so the lure is catching on to a lot of the green moss. Oh, come on. Think I just hit another patch of green moss a while ago. Can feel it on the lure. Yeah, look at that. It's a lot of green moss floating out in the water now. If this continue happen, I might have a shift spot. Because once it get onto the lure, Lure doesn't swim properly. More moss, man. They're just big blobs of green moss floating out there now. I didn't take those waves that serious. Look at this. I'm getting green moss with every cast I make right now. Alright, let's try to target this section of water straight that way instead of up the line where I was casting a while ago. I think I'm gonna have to leave from this spot. Gonna try to walk the beach and fish along the edge. It's just an impossible task up here now because it's just too much green sea moss that were washed off the rocks. Too much of them floating in the water right now. So I just shift down a little bit from where I was. Try this spot for a few minutes and then head further down the beach. Problem is that the current is pushing down the beach, so fully expect them to go down the beach as well. Came back to the spot that I was this morning, but still picking up a lot of weed, a lot of grass. And as you guys can see now, the water is very milky. So yeah, just gonna find somewhere to sit and chill for 2 minutes, rest off, and then head to my car. Alright, let's see if we can find a way that side, because I'm going to walk that way, go back to my car. So alright, we're gonna have to jump off down there. Beat that wave. Yeah. Alright, so see if I can go chill out a little bit, catch my breath, then walk back to my car. Think I'm done fishing for today. I only caught one. Hooked up a long jaw which released himself. Also caught a Mangrove Snapper. Found a golf ball and bring it for my daughter. Also caught a Mangrove Snapper that you guys didn't see because the camera freeze. Found another golf ball. So yeah. Right, yes my people, yes. That is it for today. I woke up late this morning, left home late, so missed the earlier part of the session I did actually want to catch. I tell you, when your alarm go off a morning time, guys, wake up. Don't pass the alarm and say I take 5 minutes, because the 5 minutes they are going to turn in probably 1 hour or 2 hours. So yeah, left home late this morning, but I saw you go. Missed the early part of the session when I did want to catch, but it is what it is. Catch a one fish, I can carry home, can cook it for my daughter. She actually really love fish. Ellie really love fish, so can cook it for her. But yeah, that is it for today. So, oh, to touch on a couple of things. It's been a couple of weeks since you guys saw me post a video or do a live stream on a Friday night. Maybe 3 weeks going into a month now since you guys see me post anything. It's just been a bit hectic, man. Very, very hectic, especially since school reopened recently. Yeah, man, it's very, very tricky to get anything done, but yeah, I'm still here. So apologies to all of you guys. Hopefully things calm down a little bit. Once certain things get sorted out, hopefully things get calm down a little bit and I have some more time on hand. But yeah, man, big up to you guys. Quite a number of you guys actually reach out to me asking about why I'm not posting, and especially for the Friday night lives. A couple of you asked me why I wasn't doing any more Friday night lives. I didn't stop them. It's just that on a Friday, if I leave work late, if I finish working late, it's kind of hard to start setting up and prepping and all of that to post the show on a Friday night. So I don't know if you guys were on the last live that I did a couple of weeks ago, and if you could hear coming to the end of the show, my voice was literally going. I was struggling to speak because my voice was like going, you know. I was really tired because I left work pretty late that day as well. But that is how it is sometimes, you know. Sometimes you just have to push through and get stuff done. But yeah, you have to take care of your health sometimes, you know. When you need rest, you got to take some rest. Having small children, having a full-time job, and doing YouTube as well, sometimes it causes you to burn out. So yeah, you have to take some rest sometime, you know. But you guys soon start get regular content again. I'm still here, still making the videos. So yeah, just stick around and look out, you know. I want to say shout out to my virgin Soa TV, Ryan. Yeah, man, he's been recovering from an illness that he's suffering. If you want to know all about that, check out Soa TV, and you will see him documenting his journey about when he found out about his illness, what his illness is, and he's also documenting his recovery process. So go over there and check out Soa TV. So big up yourself, Ryan. Also want to say big up to Genesis One. That's a subscriber of mine over in Canada. She actually had a channel and somebody got mischievous and deleted her channel, so she's actually starting over her channel now, just building up back her subscribers and all of that. So if any of you guys know Genesis One, she's always on my Friday night lives and in my comment section. Just go over there, check out Genesis One, subscribe to her channel and show her some support, you know, because I tell you, sometimes mischievous people, when I have nothing to do, them just torment, you know. So big up yourself, Genesis. Big up to Tube Princess as well. So yeah, big up to everybody who support Hartman Adventures. I have a video coming out for you guys. That video, you guys haven't seen a video like that for a long time, probably 2 years now since you guys saw a video like that. A video with the entire family going out and fishing and cooking and stuff like that. You guys have been asking about my wife as well, so you guys will see a video with the full family coming out pretty soon. So just stick around, stay tuned. You guys will see all of what we've been up to. Well, not all of it, some of what we've been up to. But as I said, we've been a little bit busy since, especially since school reopened. So yeah man, we're still here and we still do stuff. So big up on yourself. Thanks again for supporting Hartman Adventures. Get you guys in the next adventure. Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.